the Art Institute of Chicago called upon a rising star of the architecture world to reimagine their John M. Flaxman Library to be a destination for artwork, students, faculty, and librarians alike. Tom, every time I come to Chicago, I'm just in awe of the architectural history that's here.
Yeah, I mean, Chicago's a great architecture town. We celebrate our architects like we do sports heroes. This building's a really great example of early Chicago architecture. The school is actually older than the building itself. The school was founded in 1866 by a group of artists. We were founded as the Academy of Art and Design. So design has been a part of our nature since our existence in 1866. We've been reinventing ourselves since then, and every opportunity and every generation we get to spend more time on our buildings and reinventing the interiors. We put out a proposal. We were very interested in working with an emerging firm, and so we were really lucky with the firm we selected, and we were really happy to show you the library today.
Wow, Camille, this is such a contemporary space. I would have no idea that we were inside of a historical structure.
It is. It's surprising and exciting. The architects have managed to use texture and white on white in a really sophisticated and restrained way and allow in as much natural light as possible. We're actually in the center of the Sharp Building, and the Sharp Building's in the center of our campus at SAIC. We call all of Chicago our campus, but this is really the center of it. It's exciting that these two floors serve as a beacon to the center of our entire community.
It definitely seems like an atypical library. There's even parts about it that seem like a gallery.
I agree, and it was done by design, as you would say. It was in order to create spaces for display, but also spaces for community, for dialogue, for engaging with the collections, but also having an opportunity to reflect on how those collections inspire our own creative work.
One of the things that really excites me about this project is the fact that the school decided to roll the dice with an emerging firm, but they have such positive things to say about their experience working with you.
Yes, we were extremely excited when we received an invitation to propose on the library, and we really poured our heart and soul into our proposal, and we're ecstatic when we found out that we won the project. It's really been a pleasure working with SAIC and collaborating together to form the space that is the library. It was important for us to consider how do we plan efficiently for the space of the librarians, give them a lot of space for storage, and at the same time provide a lot of space for the students as well. We created this sawtooth corridor where all of the spaces for the librarians, their offices, their stacks, the special collections reading room are on one side, the south-facing side where light is coming in. On the other side, that's where we have nooks for students to read a book, socialize with a friend, and be able to peek into seeing how the library functions beyond that wall.
Great, it's like the best of both worlds.
Yes.
I know as an art school student, I loved interacting with collections like this. I saw it as such a privilege.
I agree. People really don't know what we have here. This is one of the largest artist book collections in the entire world.
I'm gonna dive in and take a look.
It's definitely been a journey being here both for undergrad and grad school. As an undergraduate using the older library, I tended to just come here as I needed to, but now because it's so much easier to navigate and so much more wide and open, I just find myself here a little bit more often, using all of the resources a little bit more.
Well, and someone told me that you have a book here.
I do. Another cool thing about the library is that they accept student work, so I have a comic in here that I did for a class called Mirror Exposure Effect, Stories from a Lonely Bi Person.
Well, I'm gonna have to find this and check it out.
Oh, thank you.